Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. We are gonna do another island tour. So grateful to you guys that are opening your islands and showing off your hard work. I'm Momma.
And I'm Paris.
And we are Adventure with Us. And I'm gonna just be doing these tours for a while because we need ideas and inspiration. I feel like I've been playing the game since it came out and I've hit a wall. I don't know what else to do, and I know I can do more. And seeing these islands definitely has made me realize some things I want to do and some things that I'm just not creative enough to do. But I'm glad you guys are, because we can show it off.
Yep.
So far we've seen an island when it's in winter, an island when it's in like autumn.
Like October. That's what it said.
The islands we've been to has been really nice. Oh, I love that. It's really pretty.
It's kind of like a Zen garden, but different.
Oh yeah, it is very calm. I like the custom designs in here. Very cute. Oops. Just want people to feel appreciated. Yes, I do. Lots of hard work has gone into this. I like it. Did I lose them?
I think you did.
Found them! Oh, they went out that way. I see.
Secret passage.
I see. And I'm stuck. I'm gonna lose them again. World's worst follower. I feel like I should apologize, but it would take too long and I'd lose them again. Very cool. I like all these little like secret like nooks and crannies here. That's very awesome. Super cool.
Flicks on their island.
I am absolutely sure that I should know what these things are.
It looks like the red carpet.
I feel incredibly terrible that I don't know what these things are. And it's that movie that you like, The Last Airbender, right?
I think so. Yeah.
Very cool.
That's actually Kai who likes that.
Okay. Oh, well, Kai's missing out. Luckily, he gets to watch.
Luckily.
This is a lot of work. I love it.
It is.
I just love all the custom designs. I can't. I'm just not that creative, I guess. LOL. I couldn't get up there. This is very pretty. Oh, I like the moon over there. I need these Celeste DIYs. I should work harder at getting them.
Oh yeah, I remember that. That's the like kind of like yin and yang, but like with fish.
I feel like we're gonna offend this person by not knowing what exactly this is and why it is so amazing, but it looks really good.
Yeah. If Kai were in here, he would tell us like everything.
Very cool.
The water tribes.
Now we're getting it.
Over there, that must be the Earth tribe.
And we saw the fire.
Tribe.
Yeah. Very cool.
And the
Wind.
Wind tribe.
Or airbender probably.
Air, yeah.
This is a really cool idea, just to have all these little spaces and, you know, the walls and the terraforming around them so that they're kind of their own, like it's actually their own little area specific to what it's intended for. Oh, you can customize the wheels? Or is that one that you can get?
Why is that so big?
I think
or whatever that is.
Oh, I don't know.
And the flowers are small.
I think that I have tried to customize my wheel, so I don't think you can actually. I'm glad I brought a ladder. That would have been awkward.
Call the rescue services.
Oh yeah, that's true. I've never had to use them. Oh cool. Kai would also like this.
Yeah.
Very cool. Oh, there's a little spectator area over here too. Okay, don't run on the flowers. Very cool. Little pool area.
I like it.
Oh, very cool. This is really cool of these people to just let us come over and look around. Oh,
like
lifeguard,
that.
good. Safety first, safety first. Their flowers are very organized as well.
True.
Jealous. Oh, we're in a little neighborhood now. I like that all the flowers are one color for everyone. I like that. Oh, you see that big bear?
Whoa, I think that's a DIY.
And it's a panda in the bamboo. I like that.
I think that's the DIY that I got. Like that big teddy bear.
Oh, yeah. Probably. We'll have to check it out. Oh, I think I have it. I think I've seen it. You need 3 other bears to make it. But I think Mommy's given you a few, so... This is a really cute little neighborhood area. We went around the block. Just getting our steps in. Oh, cute. Oh, how do I get over there? Oh, I see, okay. Oh, that's really smart with the books and the ledge. Is this her house? I think so.
No.
No? With the purple roof, I think? No?
No, it doesn't have a mailbox in front.
Oh, you're so smart.
Fire tribe. Okay. Oh, that's why she has. That's why she has a bunch of fires on her hand.
Yeah. We're putting it together now, and we apologize for not knowing what your hard work was.
Wait a minute. Why is there such little stubs there?
The stumps?
Yeah, such skinny ones.
No, those are normal.
No.
They're from the pine.
Yeah, there were big ones, and then there was there were skinny
I don't know.
ones.
Probably you can make those. I'm not sure. I guess I missed it. Oh.
I don't know what that is.
Probably something else we should know.
Yeah. I wish you had that hug emotion, like a hug motion, so you can hug stuff.
Oh. These are smart things. Sitting and hugging. Those are the things we want to add to the game, okay, Nintendo? Thanks for listening. Oh, I'm the worst. I'm really the worst at the game. Boop. Okay. I know what I'm doing, I promise. Sometimes. Very cool. I like these mannequin placements. It's very cute. Like people are having, you know. Ooh, got it. Awesome. Well, this was really cool. I'm glad we did it.
It was really cool.
Really appreciative of the people that are letting us come over once again. Well, that was another good one. I liked it a lot. Some good ideas, some good use of mannequins and custom designs. Yeah. What was your favorite part?
Well, I would probably say my favorite part. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff there.
There was a lot of stuff there. I like the way that they separated little sections on their island for specific things, and it looked really good. It looked really organized. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know if we can do anything better. We're going to do some more of these as people allow us to. I think Kai wants us to come tour his island, so we're probably going to do that.
It's pretty new, so it's
That's true. It is new.
It doesn't have a lot of stuff, but
he got a Switch for his birthday, and so he's starting all over on his own island instead of living on Mommy's. Anyways, okay, well, thank you guys for tuning in. We're Adventure with Us, and we hope you stick around for the next one. Thanks. Bye.
make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button.
Bye.